stars come to shine when it's dark. From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
I hope you're all doing okay. Today I thought I would show you around my new kitchen. So this is the 5th episode in my little mini series that I put together of us taking out our old kitchen and putting a new one in. So I will leave that playlist linked below. But today I'm going to show you around the kitchen and where we have got to so far. There's still like a few little bits and bobs that I need to finish, you know, like little decorative bits, but we are really getting there. And I've done a little bit of organisation as well, and I'm also going to show you the utility, which doesn't have really any organisation or like decor bits at the moment, but it is still finished. So yeah, I am really excited to share this video with you. I need to have a little sip of a drink because I'm so thirsty today. The weather is miserable considering it's summer. It's boiling hot, but it's just awful. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and let's go and have a look. So I'm going to start off here. So the first unit that we have in is a dishwasher. That is full to the brim and I need to put it on, but it's going to make too much noise, so I'm waiting until I finish the video. But we have a dishwasher exactly where our old one was, but it's just perfect and it ties in with the sink when you're washing up and putting things in there nice and easy. We then went for a butler sink, which I have always wanted one of these. I just love them so much. I love the style of them and I just knew it was one of the things that I wanted to have. And then underneath there, we just have a little cupboard for cleaning bits, which I also need to sort out because this cupboard is a cleaning one as well. And then as you can see here, we have a lovely, this is called Diamond White High Mac worktop. We had a look at a lot of worktops, but we just really loved this one. I love the matte effect on it, and I just felt like it would go really well with our cupboards, which are also matte, and they are in the colour Sandstone. And the tap that we went for is a hot water tap. We just knew that we wanted to like minimise our worktop space. So we've actually got rid of the kettle and we have a hot water tap, well, a boiling hot water tap, and then this side is just your hot and your cold, which I really do love and we're getting on really well with at the moment. We also decided to have some of the grooves put in instead of a draining board. That was just something that I love the look of. I really like how minimal it is and that I don't always now have washing up out on the side because I have to put it away. There's no drainer rack for it to just sit in, so I really love that. And then just to have a little look at the decor here. So we've placed some shelves up here, which I love. We actually got this wood, come closer, it's a really lovely colour. We got it from our garden and Will has sanded it down. And then the little brackets we got from Amazon, and I always get asked about these, but they were so cheap to do and I just really love how they bring the warmth to the kitchen. And then on the shelf I've got these jars from B&M, and so are these sticky labels, but they don't seem to stick too well. And then I've got this little mini colander from Sainsbury's, and then these little bits were all from the car boot. But I do believe these are probably from Aldi, and this I actually sprayed to go with the kitchen. And then down here, I actually just laid these here when we were doing the kitchen, and then I thought actually I really love how that looks, so I've kept it there. So we've got this coffee pot, which was from the car boot. That was £1, and I love it so much. I think that is really given like H&M Zara. And then this little pot I got for 50p. And that is actually a French brand, and that is actually worth a whole lot more than 50p. And when I went in the charity shop, I actually managed to find another one, so I've now got two. And then this cake stand was from B&M, and I actually haven't seen them in there for a while, but that is where I got it. And I'm hoping to get the glass dome to go on top so I can have like little cakes and stuff in there. Over here, I just bought this flower pot. I think that was red. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the colour of it because of the window, but I've actually sprayed it. And it is the same colour as this pot here. So I probably will put some flowers in there at some point. And then I've just got this little tray here, one of the mango wood ones from B&M. And I've got the little dupes of the Aldi hand wash and moisturiser, which I love. They're in the scent Paradise and they smell like Seychelles from the White Company, so I love them. And moving round to the section of this side, so we've got two cupboards on this side and we have two on this side. I have these little spotlights that are wired in, so I have a switch to turn them on. We've changed all of the sockets to black. I just need to get some black screws to go in there because they came with silver. And the tiles, let's have a little look at these because they're like a brick effect. And I just love them. I think that they tie in really well with the sink because the kitchen's quite modern. I feel like that they go really well bringing the sink into everything. So they were from B&Q, and when I saw them I just knew that they were the ones that we wanted to get. And so then this corner is almost done. So I've popped some really nice little decor bits here. So we've got some chopping boards from B&M. This little pot is for oil. That is from H&M. That's so cute. I then got again another flower pot and I've sprayed that in a Poundland spray, which works really nicely. All of these wooden spoons are from Aldi. I've got them in there for display because I know they get really stained and stuff, so I've got some that we use in the drawer and then these ones I'm keeping here. And then these little pots, my friend actually picked these up for me from a charity shop and they're so lovely. And I just think that they go so nicely in my kitchen. So I've just popped them there and I think that just looks so cute. And then this corner, I currently have a little book stand and I want to get a nice cooking book on there. And I was thinking about having a plant pot here with like some herbs in it. So sort of just to fill that corner, but not too much because this is where I prepare dinner. So I need a little bit of workspace because obviously in this kitchen we don't have too much, so I really do want to keep this as free as I can. And then in the middle we have our gas hob and the black, oh my god, I always forget the name of this, but the extractor fan. And we have obviously taken the brick all the way up to that. And then we've got two big drawers here. And again, I've still got my corner cupboards, so they've got a few little bits and bobs in. The cutlery drawer is actually under here, which is really nice, and it's nice and big so I can get everything in. This is the space that I am currently working on at the moment. So here I want to do like a nice little breakfast bar bit. So I've got my new toaster. I've got this little pot which has butter in, and I was hoping to get like maybe a round chopping board, and I really would like a little basket to have like bread in. I think that would be so cute. And then in this corner, which is tucked behind our oven, I'm going to have the little coffee station. I've already seen some bits on Amazon, so I can't wait for them to come back in stock so I can buy them and start organising here. I'm thinking Christmas and autumn and styling it. Like, I'm really looking forward to doing all of that. And then moving around to the last few cupboards, we have the oven and the microwave. This is also like multifunctional, so that is an oven as well. But that was again another thing that we wanted to do to minimise the space on the worktop. So the microwave is now in there, and we obviously have the oven. I'll put my bacon trays in there. And then this is different. So we used to just have a fridge here, but now we have a pantry and a fridge. So inside here, this is my little dreamy section at the moment. I love this so much. So we've got the cereals. I've got some little baskets for fruit and veg. Up the top here, I've got a snack basket, which I got from the car boot. I always get asked about this on Instagram, and it was literally £1.50. I got such a bargain that day. And then up there I've got like some spreads and stuff for the kids, and some eggs in that lovely little basket as well from the car boot. And then down in the bottom here I've got these two baskets from Amazon. So this one holds like all of our bread and, you know, like pancakes, wraps, stuff like that. And this one holds all of the crisps, popcorn, crackers. And then at the bottom here I have a basket for squashes, fizzy drinks, anything else like that. And again, that was from the car boot. I was really lucky with my baskets, and you know, the last few times I've been, I haven't found any. But yeah, as I said, I'm still sort of in the process of organising this, but so far so good. And I guess it's just about finding what works for us, but I am super happy with this pantry. I love it so much. And then this side we went for a 70-30 fridge freezer because we needed more fridge space. So yeah, we went for 70 at the top and then 30 at the bottom for the freezer. So I only got 3 drawers, but actually that works really well for us. Also changed all of our sockets to matte black, which I love. I think they go so nice. The colour we went for on the walls here is Timeless. So these are sandstone, the cupboards. And then the paint is Timeless from Dulux, because I wanted something a little bit more warmer to complement the warmer tone here. And then in this space now, I've just popped our bin, which works so well because it used to be sticking on the end of there. So now we've got a good little place for it here. That is from Dunelm. And then looking at the kitchen from this way, so that's a overview of it. And these are the lights that we have put in. We really wanted like a statement light to hang over the table. So these are the ones that we went for. I just love them so much. We got 2 of them and they just work so well in this kitchen. We actually need to take out this random light fit in there because we're not using it anymore. And then actually I think in my last video the table was wooden. And I kept looking at it and I was thinking something is just not right. And then I said to Will about painting it black. So that is what we did. We'll probably get some new chairs at some point, but at the moment they're fine. And I still need to work out how to dress this table because it's so big and I don't know, I'm not quite happy with it at the moment, but I do love these dried flowers in here because I think they go really nice with the kitchen. And then this is the utility, just a little look through here because I'm sure I'll do some more videos on this and how we are going to organise it and style it. But we have in here, so this is a cupboard for storage. We've got the boiler up here. In this one is our washing machine, which I love. I love that it's hidden away now. Again, we have a butler sink. Ignore all of this. Trainers to clean, cloths to put in the wash, and a plant that I need to home somewhere. But again, we've got a little cleaning cupboard under there, and then round here we've got a corner cupboard and 2 drawers. Now I'm actually living in this, I think to myself, I said to Will, he was a bit mad with me because he was like, if you think I'm doing that. But I said a tall cupboard here would have been perfect because I didn't think about that, but that would have been good for like mops and buckets and things that are a little bit bigger. That would have been perfect. So if you are designing a utility, I would recommend get yourself a tall cupboard. I've got some little bits on here that I'm just drying out. These were my alliums in the garden, and I saw someone dry them out on TikTok. So mine are now seeding, so when they come out they'll look like little flowers like that. Can you see them? They're really sweet. And then this is my little pot of moss, which I've seen again on TikTok, and I thought I would make one. These 2 little bits are from the car boot. I've just got a allium bulb here. One of the bulbs come out, so they said we have to dry them out. I'm in my gardening girl era. And I know this video is not about this, but just in case anyone wondered why I've got these random things on the side. And then yeah, we've got 3 cupboards up here, and I'm really hoping to have like some nice shelves along here. I've got a few little decorative bits here that I've even been drying lavender. And yeah, I can't wait to style this up. So that is our new kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed having a little look around. I will definitely be sharing more organisation and decor videos soon, because I have obviously still quite a lot of bits to finish, and we have also now done the floor, which meant that we had to go through into the downstairs toilet. So we completely took all of that out, and we now have a new little downstairs toilet, and I just love that so much as well. So I will share that probably in another video. Yeah, I'm so happy with the kitchen, and the house is definitely feeling like home now that like it's got our little stamp on it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.